I'm using this textbook to help me to do super project, and then I'm gonna go to table of contents by going down here, and I'll show you chapter 2 about overclocking. Sorry, bad camera angle. Then click overclocking, and then I make this bit readable mode. Oops. Yeah. When I read about it, I read about what overclocking do, and I decided not to do it because I want to keep my Raspberry Pi last longer. Yeah, last longer. And I do not want to reduce the life of the Raspberry Pi. It's a hardware and a computer, so I do not want to reduce the life of it. And I do not want to have some kind of corrupt issue by using micro SD card. So that's why I decided not to do. And this is the step what you should do from the textbook about overclocking. The command and stuff. I don't know. Yeah, I'm not do that. Yeah, I'm not doing that. Shut that. And after I do that, then it tell you to go Raspberry configuration to check out the configuration, to check out of the frequency and that specific. I think this is the default, and it will not hurt the Raspberry Pi. But I'm not gonna do it. It might be default, but I'm not gonna do it because I want to make my Raspberry Pi try to last longer, so I can use. Yeah. Depending on the clock frequency on the computer or that, and then I'm gonna set. I'm gonna do not set up the wireless card because I could connect try to set up Ethernet and Wi-Fi in Raspberry Pi 3 model B3. I'll do that right now after I play around, and I will show you what I'm gonna do for the setup of wireless in Raspberry model B plus or 3 Raspberry Pi 3. Try to figure out how to set up Ethernet and Wi-Fi to my modem. And then this one is talk about how to do with Raspberry Pi 2 and doing the setup, and I don't want to touch that yet, so I have to figure out how to do Raspberry Pi Wi-Fi and Bluetooth from here. And this is Mac address, is the hardware ID and stuff, not Mac OS. Yeah, and I'm not gonna set up a 3G USB modem with cloud, so I'm not gonna make my Raspberry Pi as host because it's gonna take a couple of weeks to order EM11756C and to ship back to my place, so that's why I'm gonna skip this part. And then